Welcome to Enphase API Access Plans and Pricing. This video will answer the frequently asked question: what are the available access plans for API, and which one should I choose? In this video, we will look at the various options available for developers, installers, and homeowners to access information from specific solar sites, as well as show which plan works best for each type of user. As a developer, homeowner, or installer, you can use the API portal to get access to an Enphase system's data. Monitoring API can not only fetch system details on a site, but also system-level and device-level production data, consumption and battery data, system configurations, and live status. Commissioning API can be used to create and update activations on a site, manage companies and users, as well as update tariffs. Enphase API offers 4 different subscription plans, each with its own features and prices. The Watt plan is for homeowners or installers who have less than 10 installed sites, or it can be used for testing purposes. It is free to register for the Watt plan, but please note, access to API data is more limited in scope under the Watt plan option. The kilowatt and megawatt plans are for developers and homeowners that need a higher level of access, or for those who incur a higher number of live status hits. The kilowatt and megawatt plans are paid plans, and a payment method will need to be entered on the Enphase Stripe portal to access these plan types. The partner plan is for installers and maintainers whom have 10 or more installed sites. The partner plan is also a paid plan and has a different method of authorization than the other API plan types. There are also different levels of access available using the partner plan option. Please note, authorization from the site owner is required for access to their site data, regardless of the selected plan type. Now we will look at the developer homeowner plan, as well as the installer partner plan, so we can learn about the differences and the similarities between them. There will be differences if you are a developer, such as an aggregator or utility, etc. And there will be differences if you are a homeowner or a new installer with less than 10 installations as referenced earlier in the video. Of the 3 plan types, you can choose either the Watt plan, kilowatt plan, or megawatt plan. Homeowners can subscribe for free to the Watt plan to access the API for their own system for free, and also may upgrade to a kilowatt or megawatt plan type if needed. Developers may subscribe to any level plan type, but authorization from the homeowner is required for all plan types. New installers who have not completed the required 10 installs for basic access to the partner plan can use any of the developer plans, and will also be able to transition to a partner plan later. The steps to subscribe to the partner plan and generate tokens are available on the Enlighten Systems API developer website. For access to these steps, please see the link in the video description below. For the Watt plan, all developer plans will need to use the OAuth 2.0 based authorization. Users will need to reach out to the system owner for approval for access to their site data. The user will retrieve an OAuth code from the homeowner, with which they can generate access and refresh tokens. Homeowners accessing their own API must sign up independently from any other party to be able to retrieve their OAuth code and generate access tokens. The steps to request access and generate tokens are available on the Enlighten Systems API developer website. See the link in the video description below. Since the Watt plan is free, users can create applications without needing to provide payment details. For the kilowatt or megawatt plans, you will need to use OAuth 2.0 based authorization. Users will need to reach out to each individual system owner for approval to access their site data. To subscribe to the kilowatt or megawatt plans, credit card details must be entered via the Enphase Stripe portal. For steps on how to do this, see the link in the video description below. If you reach your monthly call limit and would like to continue making API call requests, please contact us at api@enphaseenergy.com, and we can enable additional hits at 0.005 cents per hit. The partner plan is recommended for installers who have done 10 or more installations. It allows them to use all the features available on the portal for all of the systems they have installed or systems they maintain. Unlike the previous plans, the partner plan requires the user to generate access and refresh tokens using their application credentials. These are their client ID and client secret details. They must also enter their Enphase Enlighten user name and password. The partner plan is a paid plan. This means that payment details must be entered in the Enphase Stripe portal. For access to the Enphase Stripe portal, please see the link in video description below. Installers who have not completed the required 10 installs will not have access to the partner plan, but can still utilize any of the developer plans, and will be able to transition to the partner plan later. Please refer to the Enlighten Systems API website for more details. For site-specific questions, please reach out to our team at the email address of api@enphaseenergy.com. Thank you for watching another instructional video from the Enphase training team.